Well, good morning, John Kielec here, and this is Saturday morning, March 16th, and it's very early in the morning because I wake up early in the morning when I do my London break Forex trading. But you can see I am here at my Florida condo and in my gym, and I just finished some exercising. And this is how I start my mornings, and I'm gonna do a very special update today. So I just finished my exercise, and now I'm gonna go for my daily swim. So I'm just gonna take the camera with me, and this is the lights are not on, but this is our dance party room. This is where we have some of the parties here, and you're also invited, and I'm gonna just come out here. This is where the swimming pool is one of the swimming pools in here, and this is my next step after a workout. A little bit of weight. I don't go overly crazy, but I try to stay in shape. And then I swim for about 15-20 minutes. Sometimes I even do aerobics. But the thing I want to tell you is that today's update that I'm doing is very, very important, because what's going to include, there are new things coming in April 2019, and that is, well, first of all, we had a pretty good trading in Forex this week, over 2% profits, despite what's been happening with England and, the BitMEX, I just call it BIT, and the markets are very volatile. There's a video of the trades so that you can watch that, but also in that video, closer to the end, what you're gonna see is what's happening, what's coming in 2019 of April. Also, this update, it includes, we have Wenda. It's our current trading broker. I've been with them for a while, but also this week I have bought, last week actually, I have bought a Forex automated trading software, Benjamin, and there's 3 different types of software, but I like the Benjamin because you need at least $3,000 minimum account to start off to use that the trading platform. But I've heard that this automated trading back in last year of November with one of the business partners from Alberta, Canada, and she has used it quite successfully. Where apparently there's over 7,000 real traders, and everybody's having pretty good success. And I have tested this software, and it's doing pretty good. I've tested it with a $10,000 demo account. In 3 days, it produced over $811.46 in profit. So that's pretty good. So what I'm going to be doing, we already have installed that into our private trade shares, and that's going to be, not all of our money is going to go in there. Only part of it, about like 20%, is going to go into automation. I don't put money, all of our private trade shares money, into one account. They're spread out. 40% of private trade shares go into Wenda, 20% will go into cryptocurrency trading like Bitcoin, which we're going to start trading once I get back in Canada in April, because I cannot do it from Florida, not from our broker does not allow US, and then I have ISP in US, so that's not gonna, I cannot do it from here. There's airplanes flying above me because we're not too far from Fort Lauderdale, Miami airport. But anyways, it's what we're going to be doing is using that automation trade. See what it does. I've deposited $3,000. The most I would put in there, 5 to 10 grand. But we're going to start off more on a conservative way. We're going to start off with 3,000. I already tested not automation. I've tested my own personal trading with FX Choice broker, made a couple small trades, made a little profit just to make sure that it's working. So it is working. I've tested demo account in automation, and like I say, that is working. I've talked to several traders who are using the software. There's all kinds of different softwares out there, but I've tested few and I've lost money with them. Okay, I used real and demo accounts, and sometimes demo accounts produced profits and real accounts did not. But in here, over 7,000 traders cannot be wrong, and practically most of them that I know have seen are recording great profits and quite happy with it. So far I'm quite happy. So this is what's going to happen. It's already happening. Another broker for additional private trade share profits. Next thing, HyperGrowthFX. Okay, I've been following them. They blew their account 50%. Kind of scary, because I would never trade up to 50% of my account. I more in a conservative way, but still sometimes we do have losses. My biggest loss, I think, was in 1 week was like $1,100, couple trades, and these things do occur. They do hurt, but that's trading, and not every trade is going to be profitable. But as long it's quite profitable, and the losses will make up for what do you call? The profits will make up for the losses, and that's the name of the game. What I'm trying to say, I am doing everything because I want you to earn that excellent income with private trade shares. And the HyperGrowthFX, this is something that I am not gonna put into yet. I am watching because they blew that 50% account. That's thousands and thousands of dollars. Also, I'm gonna stick on the side and see what develops, what kind of profits they're gonna be generating before I even put like 10 to 20% of our private trade shares money in there and let their professionals trade for us. But I think if our the Benjamin software that I'm using, the automation software, can produce better results than HyperGrowthFX, then maybe we'll just go with automation. And I like the automation because I can do my exercise, I can do my swimming, and enjoy the life the way it's supposed to be, even though most of the trades are automated to begin with, because there's stop losses, auto get in, preset everything, and just leave the computer and walk away. And when the orders fill, we start making money. I see there's already a couple ladies down there doing some morning aqua. I just barely go. I do that aqua too, but I like my swimming. So that's what's gonna be happening. So this update is very important. Also, I want you to, in this update, go open the site where the automation is, the software is introduced, where the hypergrowth is introduced, and scroll way down to the bottom. The very last video, which you're gonna see, it's gonna say intraday drawdowns. Okay, we have them with private trade shares. Those are open trades, and these trades are still running. They're left over the weekend. There's no trading over the weekend, and so they left over there till Monday, next trading day, which is Friday. Forex closes at 5 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, New York time, and reopens Monday morning. Asian market opens Sunday night, so the trading begins, and those are open trades. Those trades are not closed, and the main reason they're not closed because they are not in profit. So watch that video to understand what hypergrowth is talking about, and we apply that too, except our profits or our losses are not as big as you know, their traders are doing. I'm more on a cautious way, more on a conservative way. I only use aggressive trading when I am pretty well sure that the trend is my friend and that the news, everything matches, and the possibility of winning trade is about 90%. Then I get into aggressive trading. But if there's iffy markets, well, I go about 50-60%. Okay, so that's my method. That's how I trade, and that's how I've been trading for many years, even many years ago when I traded commodities. So read that update, enjoy, and I am going for the splash. You have yourself a great, safe weekend. Until next time, thank you.